Hello driving intelligence community. In this video I want to talk about the multifunction switch on a 10th generation F150. I thought I had some electrical problems that originated from the multifunction switch, but I'm not one to chase down repairs by replacing parts. I typically try to diagnose it. But when I went online to Amazon and I found this part, it was at a reduced price because it was either open box or used. I don't think Amazon really sells used parts. I think they're just returns. But when this part showed up, it was in a different package and it was in perfect condition, and I saved over 70% on the price. So that's a little tip for you at the beginning of this video. I'll go through the replacement of this multifunction switch and what it turned out to be at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please give me that thumbs up, and I'd appreciate it if you subscribe.
I have a backup camera installed in this vehicle, and I noticed that I was having problems with the rear view camera activating when I hit the brake at times while I was using the GPS function. So I have an integrated GPS and backup camera system in the rear view mirror. Did some research and I found out that this multifunction switch has a lot of impact on a lot of different functions. It's rather simple, but you do have to pull the upper and lower components of the steering wheel guard off. And to pull the upper component, you have to remove the key cylinder. This little hole here, you'll have to push through with a properly sized pin. I use an extremely small screwdriver while turning the key cylinder forward, pulling out at the same time you release that pin, and it will pop right out. Here you'll see the tab that needs to be pushed in with a pin so that the cylinder can pull out while you have the key in. Like I said before, you'll turn the key on while pushing this pin in, and then you can pull out the cylinder. It's a pretty simple process. You can see here I've already installed a new one. Two wiring connectors. You'll see here is a screw. Here's a star driver screw that goes in there. I have to put the bottom one in yet. It also looks nice to have a brand new multifunction switch versus the old one that's 18 years old and 213,000 miles.
Turns out the multifunction switch wasn't my problem with the rear view camera, but I ended up with a nice brand new looking multifunction switch for just a few bucks. So I need to go and chase down what's causing that problem with the rear view camera. I'm sure I've got an electrical short somewhere in the tail light area. Again, thanks for watching. Give me that thumbs up.